Inside of Microsoft Forms, there's one new feature this summer. So we got Copilot in Forms where you could create surveys, and you could create like basic forms with questions and stuff. But something I've been excited about is the ability to create quizzes. And that is out now in Microsoft Forms. So if I go to forms.office.com and instead of a new form, I'm going to create a new quiz right here, the second little button. And a quiz is basically a form with multiple choice questions, but those questions have a correct answer. So you can like basically have a score at the end of your thing. So I'm going to say, give me a 5-question quiz about barista safety for our coffee shop, right? Maybe I want to be training baristas and we're going to talk about like safety in the workplace and I need a knowledge check about safety. So I'm going to generate that. And I told Copilot to make 5 questions. And what it does is it creates those questions. It's doing 3 of them, 4 of them, and 5 of them. So what we've got here is they're not just multiple choice, but it created like, what's the first step if you spill hot coffee on yourself? The answer is run cold water over the burn, and you can see that it has the check mark next to it. Copilot marked that as the correct answer. Don't apply butter to it. Run cold water over it. It's got another multiple choice, and then also it's got an open-ended. What type of extinguisher should you use for an electrical fire? CO2. The person needs to type CO2 in to make it a correct answer. Same with another one. What should they use? They should use gloves. But this is so cool because not only does it have the right answer, it tells you why it's the right answer. So if I click answer explanation, it's going to say the correct step is to do it for at least 10 minutes. This helps reduce the temperature of the burner. So like it tells you why it's the right answer. Under like the CO2 fire extinguisher, carbon dioxide is good for electrical fires because it displaces the oxygen and cools it down without damaging the equipment. So like it actually tells you why the answer is the correct answer. So I don't know why I'm so like excited about this because I don't really make quizzes and forms, but I think this is going to be amazing for people in education or people who are in like adoption, right? So like you're in your Copilot adoption team, you've got to create onboarding material. Now you can create your knowledge check by asking Copilot to help you with the questions and the answers and why they're the correct answer. So that is Copilot in Forms. I do have to click the keep it button, and now it's got an actual form. I can go to collect responses, and then I can share that particular form. So if I go here and do like CO2, and I'm going to say like glasses, because I know that's the wrong answer. I'm going to just select a couple of these wrong, and I'm going to submit it. It gave me 80 out of 100 points because I guess each of those was worth, what is that, 20 points? And I want to view the results. It is correct, and it tells the user why it was the right answer. So this isn't even just for you, the creator of the thing. It's like, okay, this was incorrect. The answer is gloves. They protect hands from hot surfaces. So the person got it wrong, but they're learning, right? Because Copilot is giving them that explanation.